VIN decoders are meant to make it easy to access information about a vehicle, but too often they put data in the wrong field, fail to list the exact models of engines, or provide inconsistent information. Diesel Repair's VIN Decoder is the answer to all of these problems, built to deliver reliable information every time for free. The standardized VIN Decoder displays over 20 points of data in one convenient place: vehicle manufacturer year, truck manufacturer, vehicle model, vehicle type, vehicle info, engine manufacturer, engine model, and more. Once you've decoded a VIN, you can easily one-click to wiring diagrams, fault codes, and technical docs for that specific VIN. Our in-house experts at Diesel Laptops have worked tirelessly to ensure Diesel Repair's VIN Decoder's data is consistent, accurate, detailed, not to mention fast and easy. And new for this year, our VIN Decoder now displays all common engine filters for your vehicle, including fuel, oil, and more. Try the VIN Decoder and all our other tools free for 30 days. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com to get started today.